Starting the video with danger. What's around this corner? There won't be any danger, but there's City Hall ahead, and just in the distance there you can see the O2. Just to give you an idea of where we are, that's the DLR which I just got off, Royal Victoria. Those of you that have watched some of my previous videos will remember that back in September I was down here. I was at the XL for EGX, and we saw these and we went for a little meal down there, and that's because all the way down the end of that street there is the XL, and this bus is where I had lunch 2 days on the trot. This is a pizza place, and from what I remember it was pretty delicious, but at the minute I'm trying to not eat bread, so I am not going to visit, which is a shame because I remember it being absolutely lovely. There you go, look at that. Hey everyone, welcome to another week. This week I'm in the Docklands, and everybody keeps telling me after watching these videos, why do you do it to yourself? Why do you stay in these hotels? Why don't you treat yourself one day? Why don't you stay in a good hotel? Well, that's exactly what I am going to do. I am staying in a good hotel. That's my hotel. It's called the Good Hotel, just in case you missed it. That's a lot of fun. Yes, I booked it based on the name alone. Needless to say, I have high hopes. It's supposed to be a 4-star. It's actually on the water, which is mad. So I'm fairly excited. So let's go check it out. It's definitely on the water. Oh, bright sun, bright sun. Let's sleep good, do good. Alright. Restaurant. Bar. Oh man, muffins and cookies and cupcakes, I mean. A bit flashing, but I do love neon. Okay, so it looks like you can just come in here with your laptop, you can work a bit. Reminds me of another hotel I stayed in actually, but in San Francisco. Back in the day. Comfy. Oh, and some music playing on, so I'm going to get wrecked with copyright. Alright, well, reception's over that way. I guess we'll go and check in. Oh, there's a coffee machine by there, I wonder if that's free. Oh, it's a swing. It's a lot of fun. Up on the second floor. So, I think we've been upgraded. Oh, I don't remember. Do you remember? Okay, cool. This way. Here we are, this is us. And what's all this? All this space. Sounds like there's a bar upstairs too. There we go. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, straight ahead to the bed. Oh, I see, they have upgraded me too. They've upgraded me to the view. We'll check that out in a second. And I'm already seeing something. Alright, that is a big old bed. It's a big old bed. But what's this? Worry dolls. This is a lovely touch. Before you nod off, whisper your worries to these Guatemalan worry dolls and place them under your pillow. Legend has it the doll will take away your worries while you sleep, leaving you a little lighter in the morning. Wow! Look at these dudes. That's awesome. That's nice too. There's a fun little light and a secret hatch. Oh, that's a comfy bed. Oh, you know what? That's a view, folks. That is a view. Loving it. Oh, let's open it up. Look at that. And there you go, there's the O2. Brilliant. Wow. Shouldn't have opened those curtains, that's going to silhouette me all the time now, but whatever. Well, this is kind of good. The bed was comfy. Those worry dolls are crazy. Just little things, man. Little things. Like a little bench. Just a little bench. Okay. Hotel art. And what's good about the hotel art is it tells you a little bit more about it. So this is Carla Val, or Valet, and she's 12-year-old and attends a school funded by Ninos de Guatemala. Okay. You know you're in a good place when you get peppermint tea. Lovely. My coffee bag. Whoa, this is legit. That might be the nicest arrangement of coat hangers I have ever seen. That's fun. Please clean my room. This wooden, it's really nice. Oh, bathroom. Oh, that opens too. A little tiny door. So we've got spare towels, we've got tissues and toilet roll. Obviously a toilet. A nice little triangulated toilet roll. Green tea and ginger. Soap. Oh, see again, it's a place of quality when you got earplugs. And then that's an okay shower. If it had a nice little shower head, a nicer shower head, we'd be loving life. But that is okay. Oh, look at that. Touch button to flush the toilet. Oh, look at this. That's genius. It doubles up as the shower door. That is immense. Just a place for writing down ideas. Whoa. This is literally a good hotel. I booked this because I thought it would be funny. Hey, ha ha ha, look, I'm in a good hotel, how ironic. I didn't really check it out. It was £72. Now, again, if you've been watching some of my previous videos, you've seen what I've been paying 70 odd pounds for. Just look at last week's. And now look at this. Wow. This bed is legit comfy. No complaints. The receptionist was lovely. I got a free gift. I got peppermint tea. There's a Tesco across the road. Ah, I wish I could get some good food. I feel like this is the type of place where they would sell you good food. Oh, look at the dude. Can you see? Yeah, there you go. So look at him go. That's the view I've got. Some show off on the water. Go on, go up the thing. Oh, he's doing tricks. Brilliant. There you go. So, oh, that's one thing I don't have. I don't have a TV. My entertainment is the window. I don't need a TV. I don't watch the TV anyway, so I'm okay with that. But, oh yeah, the hatch, the secret hatch. power. An extra bit of secret power. That's quite fun. The only thing I can see that's even a little bit wrong with this room is the carpet is worn a little bit. That is it. Check out this rooftop bar. Nice. Look at this. Fake. Now we get the bar. Pretty impressive, right? And they do cocktails. Of course they do cocktails. £11 a cocktail, and I might treat myself. This is a nice place. I want it to be good, man. There is something oddly calming. Well, no, it's not odd, is it? Reassuringly calming. Oh, of just being able to see the water. This is a nice view to kind of wake up to, I think. I'm very tempted to sleep with the curtains open tonight. I think I'm going to go for a walk, you know. I'm going to walk, maybe do a lap of this. And there it is from the other side. Where would my room be? I'm going to say about there. No, maybe there. I've got a sunset. Morning everyone, Burida. Oh, there's people swimming. I thought they were just boys or buoys, but no, there's people attached to them. So that was the night at the good hotel, and it was a good hotel. It's just a nice vibe. It's comfortable. Downstairs is really nice as well, with the bar options and food, and in fact you can buy muffins and pastries. That's quite interesting. And the room itself, although kind of compact, works. In some bad continuity, now I'm wearing glasses and a cardigan. I just went upstairs to see if I could finish this outro on the deck, but alas, it's locked. I paid £72 for this. I'm staying here on a Monday night. It is quite close to the tube, or the DLR. Very good location for the Excel, so if you're here exhibiting like I was for EGX in September, or even if you're just coming here to watch a show or an exhibition or anything like that, I'm sure around the time of busy exhibitions this will go up, but even so, it's a nice spot. And you're on the water, man. You know, it's a hotel that's on the water. I can't think off the top of my head of many that were better than this. I'm thinking New Road, I'm thinking Zedwell, and then this one, but I like the vibe on this one a lot more. It's funny, the ratings. What is a 10 in it? What is 10? Is 10 like something absolutely crazy that I'm never going to experience? So any kind of rating I give has to be based on what I've been in already, and I'm sure it'll change, but based on what I've stayed in so far on this little journey, it's gotta be a 9. I'm sure it's no Animal Kingdom Lodge, you know, I don't have giraffes passing outside the window. I've also found the stay quite relaxing, you know, sitting in the bed with the curtains open just like this, just watching the water move, you know. It was just nice. It's just it's kind of worth paying the money for, and I am thankful to the people at the Good Hotel who upgraded me to one of these water facing rooms, because I think they're supposed to be a little bit more expensive. So I don't know if you watch this, folks, but thank you very much. I would be happy to come again. In fact, I'm going to come again. I liked it. And next time I'm going to drink a cocktail and I'm going to buy a muffin. Just on the water view. I think that has really kind of made the experience much better. I know that the view, although I can't see out of the window, I know that the view is going to be Tesco and the street outside. Okay, that's actually a negative, but I'll come back to that. I think you have to pay for the view. That's my recommendation. Pay for the water view if you can afford it, if you can stretch to it. I think it is worthwhile. And yeah, that airplane. So we're on a flight path, so City Airport, just not far down there. So every now and again you'll hear a plane, but it hasn't disturbed me. Every now and again you'll hear a train. Didn't really disturb me. So considerations, but not game breakers. Alright, so it's a goodbye from me. It's a goodbye from Carla. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Get me to 10,000. Let me annoy the shit out of you and put adverts on you just so I can buy a muffin. That's the goal. That's the goal, people. Whatever. Alright, take care everyone. Bye bye. Alright, little bonus bit. As I was walking out, I had a look at the breakfast, and it's typical. You got bacon, you got sausage, you got beans, you've got multiple cereals. You do have some fruit, but it's presented really nicely. So it's almost like Travelodge, but presented, yeah, a lot nicer than that. So good fruit options, good, you know, conservative. What is the word? Conserves? Jams and stuff. Jams and marmalades and peanut butters. You got English muffins, which I don't think I've ever seen at the hotel before. But so I'm not sure if it's 14 quid good, but it was certainly a good looking breakfast. That's it. Bye.